she's eating. La 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 la. She's got food in the six seasons. La 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 la. She's got jokes and fun and giggles. La 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 la. Healthy meals that she just figures. La 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 la.
Okay, y'all, so the shelter has fallen down completely. It's not gonna rain today, so I'm not gonna fix it right now. Get on the, should I put this on the warming bed? By the way, I did ask the Coco crew member who gave me this. She just wants to be referred to as Stralisha's cousin. So I have one more of these Stralisha's cousin. I have to go get her some more food. All right, girl, let's go. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything. I don't want to scare her like I did last time, but I really hope she tries this. I don't know. Do you sprinkle the catnip around it? I think I'm gonna do that because it is cold today. So let me do that. Let me at least sprinkle the catnip around the bed and see what happens. Oh, he was really hungry. I think I have another snack in there too. All right, y'all, I just opened the catnip. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit by the bed and just, I don't know, hope for the best. All right. Hi, Tuda. All right, let's see. How do you do it? It's a little cat marijuana. It's legal. It's legal. I just want you to try the bed. You're cold right now. No? Ooh. You're so close to the bed. Okay. All right, I'm trying one more thing. Right here. I put the little cat treats right here. Put little cat treats right there. Stralisha. Oh my God. Girl, look. Okay. There's one cat treat. And there's another one right there. It looks like a stick. Okay, I gotta go, y'all. I'm late to work. Hopefully she finds it. I don't know. My baby is on the short bus, and that's okay. We love the babies on the short bus, so I don't want to hear nothing. She gonna find it. It's gonna take her a little longer than other kids. Dang, I gotta go. I want to see if she find it, but I gotta go to work. So like I told y'all yesterday, I'm just gonna do my same just egg sandwich, but I'm gonna add a little bit of the chicken. I'm gonna do some mayo for some full fat, and yeah, all right, that's it. It's a struggle sandwich, but it's filling. So here I am eating the last of my chicken chili soup for lunch while the kids watch Boots on the Ground for the 15th time. We don't watch it a lot per day, but we watch it at least twice a day. They love this song. Hey y'all, hey, I'm a little conflicted on whether or not to release this vlog today. What is it gonna be, 5 minutes long? I didn't do anything at all. So I think we're gonna skip today, which I hate because I'm not skipping it to be lazy. I'm literally skipping it because there is no footage to release tonight. I don't have any plans. And I knew better than this. My initial plan was to look up something to do for tonight, but I have I don't know if I ever told y'all this. I don't have any service at work. You don't have to worry about me being on my phone at work because, baby, it won't load, okay? I can get a call through or maybe a text, but it's going to be a long time for that text in, and social media, forget about it. Even when the kids are asleep, when I have time to scroll, I cannot. So yeah, I didn't look up any plans tonight. I could go home and look for something, but again, it needs to be free. It needs to be free. Intuit just took out $174 from my account, so I'm just like. Also, y'all, I'm exhausted though, and I don't know why. If I had to guess, it's my cycle. It started yesterday. I was like, it wasn't Sunday. It was yesterday. It started yesterday, and it's whooping me. If I had to guess, that's what it is. Like around 4 o'clock, I just didn't have no more, and I still don't have any more in me. I just feel exhausted, and I hate that for me. I hate that for me. Rest of my soup, so there is no food readily available at home, but I do believe I have have a TV dinner because I'm not cooking. I'm not cooking anything. I still have to go to the store though, so I don't know. I have to go get Stralisha some more food because we're out. We're out. Okay, I'm rambling. I am boring myself. I will talk to y'all later. If you see the vlog tonight, obviously I released it. If you don't see the vlog, you see it on Wednesday. That's just what it is. All right, y'all, we're gonna try, since I'm in Publix, we're gonna try the Publix brand cat food. Friskies is 89 cents. But let's go ahead and try this and see what happens. Okay, y'all, I ended up also buying a kombucha because I feel like I could regurgitate, to say it in a good, positive way. And so I need to do something. I don't know what's going on. This usually does not happen. I'm trying to think, did I eat, was the soup old from just 2 days ago? What did I eat? Like, I feel queasy, you know what I mean? Like, the tiredness, it wasn't, oh, this is really good flavor. Oh, this is delicious. Elderberry juniper, this is good. I haven't had kombucha in a while, if y'all wondering. I need to get back to my healthy routine so I know exactly what's going in my body. But I done fell off, so we need to get back on our kombucha routine for sure. Also, y'all, I bought me a little wine. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Am I the only one feel some type of way when they don't card you? Y'all had my license ready. She said that'll be $21.90. Did you see the echo? Did you? You knew? Okay. And I'm not one of them, please, don't make no mistakes. I look my age, but what I'm just saying is you still card me, young lady. You are 22. You do your job and you card me. You card me. So y'all are definitely not getting a vlog tonight. I just cried over the Wi-Fi not working. The Wi-Fi been not working. It's my mom. People taking advantage of elderly people really makes me so mad. Of course, it makes me more mad because I'm caring for one. But we're not even gonna talk. That's her business. It's our business, but it's her business. So I'm not gonna go into that. But I know for sure that now my emotions and my feelings, I don't know about the stomach ache is better. So the kombucha helped that. But my feelings of fatigue and frustration and sadness is because I'm on my cycle. So y'all are not getting a vlog tonight. I am gonna start editing, but I am sad. I am sad. So I'm not even gonna try to push myself to put a vlog out tonight, y'all. So I am gonna say goodnight. Oh, let me show you what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I'm not even gonna cook my lunch tonight. I did buy some spinach from Publix as well. But we're going to, boom, here's dinner, okay? Okay, bye. Oh, shoot. All right, I need to fix this shelter ASAP because it looked like it rained. Ugh. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna put it directly over since I gotta go to work a little early today. Let's just do this just in case. I don't think it's gonna fall while I'm at work. I don't know. This looks terribly ugly, but okay, boom. The point is we have the shelter back. Okay, and what I'm also gonna do, since she hasn't come out here yet, we're gonna put it real close. It's still dry. Okay. We're going to put it real close so she is forced to try to bed. Y'all probably thinking, oh, the snack is gone. Baby, I got raccoons and possums. Anybody could eat that. After making the kids breakfast, it was time to make mine. No, this is not our usual routine. My client had somewhere to be early this morning, so I came to work early. And yeah, I'm just making myself a peppers and onion, spinach, and just egg and mayo sandwich, y'all. Very much so country, very much so simple, very much so my breakfast. Okay, y'all, I have about 10 minutes before any children get up, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my lunch. Exact same lunch as this morning, except I am adding that just chicken. Same thing, spinach, egg, just chicken. And I think I have a little bit more Brussels sprouts left. I gotta check my lunchbox. But okay, y'all, I have a slight headache. I don't know why. Could be the same reason as yesterday. I don't know. And yes, did a little workout, but now I'm like, oh shoot, you gotta go ahead and make your lunch. Yes. Another sandwich. That's all I brought today was sandwich. Yep. Am I good or what, y'all? I told y'all I had limited time before a child got up, and limited time I did, but that's okay. I still enjoyed my lunch and carried on. I forgot to put the just egg in my sandwich, but that's okay. Now I got food for tomorrow. Hey, y'all. Hey, look like midnight, don't it? It's 6 o'clock. Well, 6-ish. I am just leaving work. I don't exactly know where I'm headed. I'm like, well, I have a little bit of that just chicken left, and I have some spinach left, and I never did make that rice. So I might cook that when I get home, or I might stop somewhere. I have a headache. I've had a headache for at least 3 hours now. I'm guessing it's from the wine last night. That's the only thing I can think of. I don't know, but my head definitely hurts. So I don't know if I'm gonna go home and cook, or if I'm just gonna stop and get something to eat. Oh, that light is bright. And we gotta put Vlogmas out. Gotta put yesterday and today out. So there's that on that. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. I don't know what I'm doing yet. And I was gonna take y'all to Vegan and Friends. That's the crazy part. I had a plan. I said, oh, today's Wednesday. We got plans. We don't have no plans. We have a headache. All right, despite my headache, y'all, I did stop at Kroger because I was like, well, Erin, don't stop for food. Go ahead and grocery shop. You are looking at $50 worth of groceries. So we have 2 super firm tofus, the same veggie burger I've been buying. We got some organic spaghetti, 2 of those. We got a salad, cucumber, and jalapeno. Y'all already know. Tessemae's. We got some ragu, feta crumbles. Now this was a waste of, not a waste of money, but you know, a little snacky snack. This was $5, okay? But I like this. And then we got 2 synergies. $50. I figured it was better for me to just go ahead and go to Kroger instead of getting a $20 plate from Chelsea's and then still not having food for the rest of the week. So now we're good to go. I think I'm just going to, obviously I'm gonna sit down and do the vlog, but I think I'm gonna do a veggie burger salad, but I'll let y'all know. All right, y'all. So I definitely did make the veggie burger like I told y'all. Here it is. I am so sorry that I am just not up to it. I don't know if it's my cycle or what, because this usually does not happen, but these are common symptoms. So I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna upload this vlog. I love you all, and I will see you tomorrow.